Seat position controls are located on the outside of the seat, placed just under the bottom cushion. This control moves the seat forward or backward. To adjust the height, push the switch up or down. To adjust the angle of the seat bottom, twist it in either direction. To adjust the backrest tilt, move this switch forward or backward. This knob also controls the headrest. Push up to raise the headrest, down to lower it. Press the same button here, forward or backward, to adjust shoulders. For thigh support, push this button forward to extend. When you press this section of the switch, the curvature is increased or decreased. Press this section of the switch to shift the curvature up or down. Press the front section of this switch to decrease the backrest width. To increase, press the rear section.